We're going to look at the new Shopify Magic feature called Autowrite. And what this does is generate descriptions for you using AI. So if we look at this product that I have here, you can see I've got a title, but I don't have a description. But what I do have is this Autowrite button here on the left. When I click on the button, it pops open a dialog area where you can put in some information. You still have your title, you've got this area for keywords, you have a tone button, and then the ability to actually generate the text. So let's start with the features. The AI is looking for some kind of information about the product that it can use to create the description. You've got to give it at least 2. Shopify requires a minimum of 2. So in this case, we're going to put in 3 different ones here. Vanilla scented, warm candle, cozy feeling. You also can choose the tone, and this is like the language tone, right? Is it going to sound more like an expert? Is it going to sound, more daring, playful, sophisticated? It's probably best to experiment with these and try a couple different ones. Once we've picked the tone that we want to use, we can click the Autowrite button. You're going to see it's kind of spinning a little bit, and then the description text is just going to pop up. You can see that the text is highlighted in purple, and this basically means it's temporary and it's waiting for you to do something with it. So you can choose to keep it, or you can choose to rewrite. And both of those buttons right here on the right-hand side. So for example, if I didn't like it and I wanted to try something else, I could hit rewrite. You can see it's going to spin around again. And using that same tone that we chose, it's going to come up with a whole new description for us. But let's try something different. Let's try a playful tone, right? So what does that sound like? Let's see if it's going to come up with something that's a little bit more fun. So it's going to generate something, and right off the bat, you can tell that the tone is a little bit more fun, a little bit more, playful, exactly like it says. Let's say for sake of this video, we want to do something daring. So we can switch the tone, we can click the rewrite button, and it's going to spin around again like it does before, working its magic, and come up with a new text for us. So I want to keep that one. I press the keep button, and you can see the text has been copied over into the regular description area of the product. So when you hit save, there it is, you've got it. So now it's no longer highlighted in purple. That means it's the active text that's in your description. Let's say you wanted to add more to it. We'll just click the Autowrite button again, and you can actually repeat the process. And you'll see your original text has been moved down to the bottom, and the dialog box is open up on top for you to add more features or keywords for the new text that it's going to generate. And there you go, 100% completely AI-generated description text. Now, this text might not be perfect, but it's just an example, right? Kind of a demo of the types of things you can possibly do with the new Autowrite feature. So thanks for watching. We hope you found the video helpful. We're definitely going to be trying out more things with Shopify Magic as they release it for other sections, so look for new videos coming in the future.